Good evening. Today is March 23, 2024 Saturday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 23, 2024 Saturday. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, March 23, 2024. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of March 23, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.